Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start affiliate marketing on JVZoo. Now, if you don't know already, JVZoo is one of the largest affiliate marketing platforms that you can find tons of products, mostly software type products in the make money and the online marketing niche. And you're curious on how to maybe create an account, how to find good products to promote, maybe how to get traffic to your products once you find your affiliate links. Well, all that and more is going to be revealed inside of this video as you continue to watch. Now, the very first step, okay, is to actually create and register a free account. Now, if you don't have an account with JVZoo already, there's going to be a link directly below in the description where you can actually sign up for a free account. It's going to take you to this page. Now, you just want to put in your full name, your email address, password, okay? So what you're basically doing is creating an account so in the future, you can log in and check your commission stats. You can find your affiliate links really easily. Just go ahead and select I have read and agree to the terms and then register, okay? Third step, you're gonna have to choose a way to get paid. Now, there's a couple different ways with JVZoo that you can actually get paid, and I'm gonna cover one of them. It's the one that I personally use, and it's called JVZoo Pay. So I'm inside my JVZoo Pay tab inside of my JVZoo account, and you can see that I've been paid out money, okay? Now, like I said, I prefer JVZoo Pay because it's very effective, it's very safe to use, okay? So what happens is when you generate commissions, it goes into your current balance, okay? And it stays there until JVZoo goes through the refund period, okay? Now, as you make more sales, the refund period is gonna become smaller. You'll be able to get your money faster. But in the beginning, it can take a little bit of time, but it's gonna stay in this current balance until it passes that period, and then it goes to this part right here. And then I can literally just withdraw it, to a bank account and things like that and get access to the money, okay? Now, once you finish signing up for your JVZoo account, you're gonna get taken to your dashboard, okay? Now, this is gonna share with you the different stats that you have for today and yesterday inside of your JVZoo account. Now, if you actually decide to sell products in the future using JVZoo, then you'll see your seller snapshot on the left, okay, for today and yesterday. But focusing on this video, this is affiliate marketing. Basically, you're just gonna look at the right side, okay, for today and yesterday. It's gonna tell you your clicks. Okay, so how many clicks that day, okay, today, if you're looking at that specific section, did you actually get to your affiliate link? So the higher amount of clicks that are high quality, the better. Now, I have other videos on my channel that you can check out after this one that share exactly how to get laser targeted free and paid traffic to any affiliate link on JVZoo. You can go ahead and look out over those videos, or I'll put a card on this video to those playlists. But essentially what you want to realize is visitors is also a stat, and then sales, right? And then it will share with you your earnings. So I don't use JVZoo that much. In fact, I prefer another affiliate program that'll include a link in the first description to a free video sharing more information. But I still do use JVZoo from time to time. Now, what I want to cover though is how to actually find a good product to promote, because there's a ton of them on JVZoo. To find products, all you do is go to affiliates, hit find products, and it's going to load into a drop down of thousands of products, again, mostly in the make money online or business marketing niches. When you first load that page, what you're going to get taken to is a keyword. So if you want to search, Facebook software or Instagram software, things like that, you can put a keyword. You can do category. Essentially, you can do entertainment, you can do health and fitness, things like that, okay? Now, I mostly leave this blank, and I just drop down all these different products. Now, what I recommend you do is when you have a list of these products is we want to look at a few of these criteria to actually choose a good product to promote, okay? So the very first thing I typically look for is, what is the launch date, okay? Because you can see right here that some of these products are, 5 years or old or older. And you don't really want to promote a product that's outdated, that's old, okay? So I look here, at least within, the year or a year ago. Okay, so this was 2020 at the time of recording this video. That's a year ago. So this could be a possible product that I can promote. Now, the next piece of information I look at is the EPC. This is in affiliate marketing layman terms, basically means earning per click. So out of all the people that you send to your affiliate link, what what are you actually averaging per click? How much money, right? So when you make your first sale, you will actually be able to see your personal average earnings per click. This earnings per click is from all the affiliate marketers that have promoted that product. What is the average amount of money they make per click of their affiliate link? Okay, so the higher the earnings per click, the better the product typically, because we're gonna make a lot more money. Okay, so this one has a $3.04 earnings per click, which is incredible. Okay, this one, so this one has like a 25 cent. I would probably, that wouldn't be my first choice, okay, because we want to look at that piece of criteria. The other piece of criteria is the refund rate. Okay, so what that means is when you go to promote this product and other affiliates promote it, what is the percentage of people that want their money back? Okay, now if you have a very low refund rate, you know that once the person buys, they're going to keep the money and you don't lose out on any commission. So the lower the refund rate, anything below about an 8%, okay, is incredible. And if the earnings per click is, $3 or more and the refund rate is 8% or less, that synergistic combination, okay, that's what product you want to actually promote, okay? Assuming that the year is this year or about a year ago. Okay, so that's the exact criteria. Now, if you're joining this video and you want to get access to more videos like this, if you haven't subscribed, again, be sure you do so. Hit that bell notification, because every single week I'm posting, step-by-step, over-the-shoulder affiliate marketing training to dominate and earn tons of commissions. So how do we actually request approval for one of these products? Because you have to actually request, and as you make more sales, you'll get approved to almost all of them. In the beginning, you may not get approved to all of them, which is totally normal, okay? So let me choose one real quick, first off. Okay, so I did a little digging and I found this product right here. Now this product launched literally about a week ago at the time of recording. It has a $6.91 earnings per click, which is incredible. And it has a 3% refund rate, okay, which is well below the 8% criteria. So then I would request approval. Now I've actually already requested approval. As you can see, I got approved, but let's do this product for example. So you would click here to request approval when you find a product you want to promote on JVZoo. Now, what you would do, okay, if you're brand new to JVZoo and you haven't made a lot of sales, what you want to do is you want to write something in this box, okay? Now this is writing a message to the person that will decide if they want to approve you or not for this product. Now, what I like to say, okay, is something like, hey, I really like your product and I'd love to promote it. I'm going to be using, okay, and then I'll just insert a few words of the type of method I'm going to be using to promote it. So whatever method you've learned from my YouTube channel, whether you like the Facebook training, whether you like the Instagram training, just choose that and put it into the box, okay? So you can say, hey, I really love your product. I'd love to promote it. I'm going to be using, very, very effective Instagram marketing strategies to get a lot of high quality visitors to your product page. Would you please approve me? Okay, you say that in that box. You select I've read and followed instructions on the message above. I'm not a robot. And then you would just click request approval, okay? And sometimes instantly, sometimes in a few days, it'll get approved. Now I got instantly approved because I've made hundreds of sales on JVZoo in the past. Now, once you're approved, you just go to get links, and this is how you find your JVZoo affiliate link. Okay, so if I go to it, this is going to take me to an affiliate sales page, which is what you would send people to start to make sales. Okay, so when you send someone to this and they click here and they buy one of the offers, you're actually going to earn a commission and money into your JVZoo Pay account, okay, which you can then later withdraw. Again, it does take some time, up to more than a week, okay? So stick with me. I'll share with you in a second a faster method to actually get affiliate commissions instantly. Okay, now another really cool way to find good products to promote on JVZoo is to go to the products tab, go to top sellers. Okay, now top sellers are within the last 30 days or less, what products are actually selling the best. Okay, so if you promote these, chances are you're gonna make a lot of sales too. Okay, now these are right here, the top selling JVZoo products for today, okay, at the time of recording this. So again, I could apply to promote this product and probably make a lot of sales because there's a lot of buzz around it right now. The only problem with choosing a product from the top sellers is you don't know the refund rate, okay? So it hasn't usually gotten enough stats to know, is it a good product? So you can make sales, but then have a lot of refunds. So typically I use the first method, okay? And I go here and I look for find products. Now, the other thing, okay, you want to realize with JVZoo is you don't want to just send people directly to your affiliate link, okay? So this link right here, I would not just promote that on Instagram, because usually Instagram is gonna block these type of links and you're not gonna really be able to, make the commissions you want. So what you wanna do instead is you wanna create a capture page. Now, this is a page right here that I've created in the past. And what it does is when someone goes to this page and they put their email in, okay, now I can actually redirect them to my affiliate page. So I can share my capture page on Facebook, my capture page on, TikTok without any issue. But sometimes, when you do your direct affiliate link, it won't work. Plus, most people will not buy instantly, okay? On average, it's been shown that it takes 7 to 10 exposures for someone to see a product before they decide to buy, before they go to a link under a video and make a purchase decision, okay? So we wanna follow up with these people, and the solution, again, is to use a capture page. Put this in front of your affiliate link. Now you can follow up through 7 to 10 emails until the person either buys or they decide they don't wanna do it. Now, if you're watching this video and you don't know how to create a capture page, or you don't wanna go through the tedious work of trying to come up with all the testing and the platform, the colors, what I'm gonna do is include a link directly below that first link. When you click that link, it's gonna take you to my website. Now on my website, I have a free video revealing my #1 affiliate program to actually find a high converting product. But not only that though, they have tons of done for you capture pages that you can literally just use and send to those affiliate products and start to generate money even on autopilot. It even gives you the done for you follow-up emails as well. So I hope you got value in my JVZoo tutorial if you're looking to start JVZoo. Again, all in all, I've made thousands of dollars on JVZoo. I think it's a great platform. But again, some of the things you need to be aware of is it does take a little bit of time to get the money. I'm still waiting on this $623 that I made, maybe like a week or two ago. So it does take time. If you want a more instant, more fast solution, and you want products that are proven over and over to convert very well, again, go down below, hit that first link, check that out. I really think you're gonna love it. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching this. If you're new to my channel, you never wanna miss out on more videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You'll be notified. You can watch my latest videos and learn more insider secrets of affiliate marketing that gurus don't want you to know. Anyway, my friend, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.